want to start? Do we want to start with beat? All right, folks, we got some update going on here at the studio, and I'm excited about it, y'all. I'm very excited about it. Listen, as a creator, as a content creator, as a music lover, I guess you could call me a producer in a way, a musician. One thing that we always need is devices. We need all kinds of devices. All right, the folks at Synido, okay, they have been just tremendous. And very, very impactful to the work that I do. Okay, so I'm talking Synido. It's a great brand. I'm telling you, it's when we're talking about the brand. Listen, it's got quality. Okay, quality, quality materials, quality technology, quality connectivity. Okay. And then not only is it good quality, because usually these don't go hand in hand, but it's affordable. All right, it's affordable. So some of the products, just real quick, some of the products that I've used. I use this all the time. And as you're making content, especially as a musician, as an artist, and you want good quality sound, and you want to be able to be in control of the sounds and balance it all well, the LiveDock A20, I'm telling you, is a game changer. All right, this replaces a lot of more expensive equipment, a lot more bulky equipment. This will fit in your pocket. I mean, come on. So, but this video ain't about the A20. We already got one for that, okay? But look, check it out if you don't know. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. We've also got, listen, because this brand has been very generous to be able to share some things with me. So look, we also got this right here. This was one of our latest additions, right? The TempoKEY. Okay, maybe I should have wiped some fingerprints off that first. But I'm using it. Okay, they tell you I'm using it. All right, the TempoKEY K25. All right, this is the K25, but today I got something new. The folks at Synido said, PJ, we got to give you an upgrade. We got to upgrade you. So now we getting an upgrade. All right, Synido done stepped up. They done upgraded. And man, I'm so thankful for the folks at Synido. Folks at Synido, get it right, okay? Folks at Synido, get it right. So look, I got this box, I got this package in the mail. I ain't even opened it up yet. I wanted to share that experience with you all, okay? All right. Let's open this thing up. Let's see how the folks at Synido blessed us, okay? Always cut away from the body. I probably could have opened it up. They wrapped it up good. Woo. All right. Let's check out what we got here. We got 25 minute size velocity sensitive keys. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll read it to you right here. It is for playing virtual instruments and samplers. Okay. 8 velocity pressure sensitive backlit pads with aftertouch and note repeat for beat making. Switchable between 2 drum kits or used as 16 controllers with free switching or note CC and PC information, baby. All right. 9 assignable infinite knobs can be divided into 2 groups as 18 controllers for sending CC and PC messages. Oh my goodness, y'all. Built-in controller, parameter editing system, OLED display, hardware function, parameter visualization, 3 transport control buttons, play, stop, record, support, CC command mapping, and MMC command automation, and can switch to MMC mode with 1 button. Okay. It supports intelligent scale and intelligent chord generation. The intelligent scale has 2 modes, fixed to do tonic. In tonic scale mode, you only need to press the white key to play major, minor, and medieval tunes. Whoa! Built-in arpeggiator, pitch bend, modulation wheel, octave and semitone transposition, sustain button, and support MIDI clock sync. Oh my good, look y'all, this is everything you need. Support wireless. Then that's the major upgrade about this is wireless, right? It's wireless and it's chargeable. So for my and this is going on a lot now. We're beginning to transition to where people aren't going to studios no more. Studios are coming to them, okay? So this is a major upgrade because it's gonna make it more portable, okay? I don't have to have it plugged in. I can charge it up and then I can use it on the go. I can hook it up to my laptop. I can take the studio to somebody else, right? And I mean that is a big deal, okay? That is a big deal because I ain't finna strap up this whole PC and take it. No. Woo! So look, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's open this thing up. Let me see. Let's see. They always listen. They all folks at Synido, they package their stuff so well. It's nice. It's neat. It's packaged well. It's wrapped good. It's like all gifts are, right? All right. What do we have? What do we have? Let's see. Ooh. 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 Wait. Goodness gracious, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Man, look, I still got my old. This the package that the other one come in, right? It's got the case, the carrying case and everything. And that's neat. And I'm thankful and grateful for this. But this a little different, y'all. Synido, they is not playing, okay? They saying we will not be the same. We will not, they are not complacent. I tell you that. Everything that I've gotten from them has been an upgrade. And sometimes they send messages to me and they want my feedback on how they can innovate, how they can change. They say, how can we make this better for the user? It's good to have a company that cares, okay? It's good to have a company that cares about their consumers, all right? Because your customer is everything. Ooh, so this is, oh man, look, y'all. This, because we're talking about being mobile and portability. This is nice. Look at this. We got on matching outfits. Ooh, look at that. Ah, Synido is stepping it up, okay? We're going to sit this box to the side. I probably won't never need this box again because I'm using this, all right? I'm not just reviewing this. I'm using this, all right? So let's see what we got in here. This is a nice bag, y'all. Let's see how does this unbuckle? All right, so it unbuckles and everything. I can put more stuff in here if I need to. And I need to put my headphones or something in here. There's room. They looking out. They're really thinking about the people. I love a company that care about the people. That ain't just what, because some companies will cut corners and give you just little as possible. All right, little as possible. I mean, nowadays these y'all notice how the cell phone companies, they ain't even giving you no charger no more. What? You mean I gotta buy my own charger? This thing is slick. Look at it. Oh man, I'm a sucker for. This is slick. Okay, y'all seen the fingerprints on the last one? I ain't gotta worry about it on this one. I don't have to worry about it on this one. This thing is gonna charge. All right. Oh, look. It's got all of, hopefully y'all be able to see it. Y'all see, it's got the modes and scales. Oh, look, y'all. Oh, this is great. This is great. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let's see what. Oh, look, they got pockets within pockets. So they showing out, man. Hold on. All right, so we got more chords. I'm gonna use the chords from my last one because I'm sure they're compatible. But they got chords. What we got here? They got this adapter, okay? I use this for more than just my Synido. They looking out for you, boy. I need these adapters. You need these adapters. Because the thing is, things are switching from just regular USB to USB-C. Got my user manual. All right, make sure you read through it, know it, so you can know how to take care of your product. You know, all the stuff you're gonna need to know is in that package right there. Make sure you look over it, look through it. That way you ain't looking like a fool. Cause you know how sometimes we be so eager to use it, and then we be struggling to use it and don't even know. It say it clearly right there in that package. All right, they gave me a little sticker. Of course, I need this. I'll put this right here for now. And I'm sure because of how they work, things are gonna be compatible. Won't be able to connect that with this other one. Let me put this right down here. What else we got? Man, see, they showing out. Look, another adapter. Okay, if they go listen, they're not gonna give you a product and you not be able to use it because you gotta work. I cannot stand. I've had that issue with some of the pedal boards and some of the mixers and stuff you get. And they don't even give you the chords that you need it. I'm still upset about phones not coming with chargers nowadays. That just don't make sense to me. But look, they've given me 3 of them. I love Synido, y'all. I will say I'm biased. I'm biased, and they ain't paying me for this video. I'm biased. I'm biased. It's just when you believe in something. Let's see what else we got. Let's see. We got anything yet? Nah, but we got space, we got room. Look, it's got a zipper. I'm tripping over the bag, and it's slick too. This is y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. And listen. So we got a zipper here. All right, we got a compartment right here that buttons up. Then we got the actual hole inside of the bag. It's got a zipper on the, I don't know if you can see, a zipper on the inside of it to put something in, and it's got spaces in here. I bet I could pack a microphone. I could even put the laptop in here. You talking about a mobile studio? Synido is supporting you and enabling you to take your work on the go. All right, convenience at its finest. Innovators, I love it. I love it. All right. Whew, okay. Let's hook this up, y'all. Cause look, I'm ready to make a beat now. I'm ready to make something. So let's hook this up. Let's see. And like I said, now the beautiful thing about, matter of fact, look, let's see. Straight out the box, I ought to be able to turn this on because it's chargeable. The power button is on the side right there. So let's see. And now I can link it via Bluetooth. So I'm gonna come over here on the computer. All right, let's see. Do we want to start with beat? is hot, y'all. That Synido is not playing, okay? All right, y'all, listen, man. Thank you all so much. Let me say this. This might be a hit right here. Synido, y'all let me know if y'all need this, y'all. I got you. All right, let's save this and back out of this. But yes, absolutely, man. You guys, thank you all so much for joining in. I hope this has been a blessing to you. It's easy, man. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Even if you get the K25, I think it's a little bit cheaper, of course, because I mean, this is wireless. You got battery powered and everything. But I mean, listen, this too, I'm still stuck on this. All right, I'm still stuck on this. Listen, they have lots and lots of equipment for musicians, producers, and content creators. Okay, y'all go check them out. And here's the thing that I've grown to learn about Synido. They got good quality at an affordable price. They're trustworthy and they care about their customers. What more can you ask for from a company?